Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and accessories so you can make informed decisions. Today, we're checking out the Meliya Charging Cable for PS4 controllers. The Meliya cable promises both charging and data syncing. So whether you're in the middle of an intense game session or just topping up your controller, this cable is meant to handle it without interrupting your play. The first thing you'll notice is the length. At 6 feet, it's long enough to give you plenty of freedom while playing, whether you're sitting on the couch or across the room from your console. This eliminates the common frustration of short charging cables that force you to huddle close to your console. On top of that, the cable is designed with a magnetic ring. This magnetic feature helps reduce signal interference, which means faster charging and reliable data transfer even over the longer length. It's not just for charging. If you need to sync your controller to your console or PC, this cable handles that too. Another aspect that sets the Meliya cable apart is its versatility. It's compatible with a wide range of devices with micro USB ports, so you can use it beyond gaming controllers. The cable is packaged as a 2-pack, giving you a spare or the option to use one in another room. Meliya also offers a 24-hour customer service guarantee, which can be reassuring if you encounter any issues or have questions about setup or compatibility. Overall, the Meliya charging cable is designed for gamers who want a reliable, long, and multifunctional cable that supports both charging and syncing. It's simple, practical, and solves the age-old problem of controllers running out of battery mid-game. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to keep your PS4 or Xbox controllers powered up without sacrificing convenience, this cable is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's product critique. If you liked this review, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more in-depth reviews of the latest tech and gaming accessories.